All right, gonna start documenting the process, and also a lot of these videos will probably be questions to the full-size Jeep enthusiasts group on Facebook. All right, so here's the deal. Get this thing to focus. Focus. All right. So the up top of each cylinder is the pressure and a pressure test, and then of course below that the percentages of leak down. So anyway, cylinder 6 is just bad, and then cylinder 5 is pretty bad. So um, I was hoping maybe it'd be a bad cam. I've heard that could be it, but I'm going to show you something, and I don't think it's a bad cam. So looks like since I'm getting basically, this the breather here is like poof, 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 and getting a mess of oil everywhere. And I think that definitely, I can tell that when I use the bleed down tester, the air is coming out here. So let me show you. Um, this is, get my light here. See if I can make all this work here at once. So let's see, go on now. Work with me here. Light. All right. So second one from the back there is that is the really bad cylinder. So, but watch the let me get this to work here. But watch the damn it. This is gonna work. Sorry about the delay here. Don't mean to hold you up. There we go. So um, watch this guy right here. Watch those rocker arms when I crank it. That cam doesn't look flat. Yeah, that cam's not flat. You know. Now I'm gonna go over here, and it is the cylinder right here. Watch those rocker arms, and you'll see. I just don't think those are flat. Now, I mean, they could be a little flat maybe, but we're talking, you know, anyway. So as far as it being a flat cam on cylinders 6 and 5, giving me virtually no pressure, and then just a little bit of pressure on the leak down test. Um, they do have pressure, it's 130 pounds, and then 115 when I do a pressure test, but of course leak down dead and pretty much dead. So that happened over the course, I don't know, a couple weeks. I did not really realize it was happening. I was just wondering why so much uh, oil was coming out here, just out the breather. It didn't really connect. It didn't really think about it until it started running like total crap. So anyway, that's where I'm at. So it looks like I'm just wondering. This engine needs to come out, and I have not taken one out of a full size Jeep. Full size Jeep, I've taken plenty of engines out. Just wondering, what's the easiest way to get this out? I'll go get an engine puller. I'm thinking just take the carb off and then just get a hold of it. Where are good places to get a hold of this thing? And then unhook it from the engine mounts, trans, and just and out, right? You guys got any tips on pulling one of these out? I have replaced the timing chain on this one before, etc. All for nothing now, it looks like. But anyway, um, let me know tips and tricks for pulling this engine. And is it easier to take the heads off now in the intake and then pull it, or pull it all as one? Let me know. This thing, I don't know what else to really check. I mean, it's got to be rings if that's the case. And I'm not sure what to do at this point other than just yank it, pull the heads off, check out the rings, and then just send this block off to be bored. I mean, maybe I'll find that it's. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Might as well just rebuild it. Good machine shops here in Arizona. What do you think? What would you do next? And tips and tricks on pulling this thing out. Thank you.